Okay, man, let's go. Like another from the Space Rocket episode. Like a Space Rocket episode. Oh, okay. Starting this lake. I may want to launch in the Philippines because that's my home, man. Let's go. Let's go, 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 go. Trenton, New Jersey, Frankfurt, and... Oh, nice. What a fat rocket I produce. A fat rocket ship. Oh, no. Wait, separated. Separated. Yeah, that's right. That's the part of the cage, yes. Yeah, even though some might explode. I don't think it will explode. It's dark. And you know, dark and all, dark and all.
Saan po, Mr. Saan po yung birthday?
That's experienceful. Now all those things from bands like from Earth and Gilbertar. Like the Earth that's rotating has been in Oklahoma City. Where you gonna launch and Cape Canaveral? Cape Canaveral, let's go! Let's go, Cape Canaveral! Cape Canaveral! Oh yeah, we're launching in the beach. Where are we gonna launch in the beach? Launching in the beach. So funny. We're launching on a beach. Is that even necessary? Okay, no Centaur, man. It's regulated, man. Oh, it's beachy today. What's the Earth having? Global warming? Begins again. When does it begin? Again and again and again until what? Again and again. Again until what? Again and again. No, just like Florida. Are you kidding me? I am the Maldives. Okay, so I think that's just a desert, not. That's just a desert and not beaches. Like beaches, man. Beaches swing and float like in the sun. Are we gonna really crossing Venus? Okay, let's just do this. And like Venus. Hey, Venus. Oh, now we're close to Venus, man. But I just didn't. Man, because things like that. Okay, man. So man, it's closing to Venus. We might not land on it. And speaking of land.